Ang i-greet ko lang sa kanya, nasa mabuti kalagayan, kalusugan niya. At sa araw na ito, sa 50 taon niyang kaarawan, masaya at hindi siya makalimot sa Panginoon.
Happy birthday, Ma. Hindi ako sanay sa ganito pero hindi ko man mapakita sa'yo. Alam mo na sa sarili mo yun. Mahal kita, Ma.
I woke up and my whole world changed. You're the kind of love that gives me faith. And I believe, I
Happy birthday, Ma. Yun lang naman talaga ang gusto ko. Best wish ko talaga yung sumaba pa sana yung taon, saka good health. Saka maraming salamat sa sakripisyo mo sa aming magkakapatid kahit minsan hindi nagkakaintindihan. Happy birthday, Ma. Sana marami pang taon at marami pa. Kayong dalawa ni Papa. Maraming salamat sa inyo. I love you.
When I see the smile run across your face and the sunrise lights up another day, I believe,
Happy birthday, Ma. Salamat dahil minahal mo kaming magkakapatid at tinanggap mo ko bilang anak. Wish ko po ay sana mabuhay kayong matagal at successful po yung business po. Happy birthday, Ma. I love you.
It's getting harder and harder to see what's true. It's never been easier when I'm with you. Yeah, it's harder and harder to doubt these days. Yours, here right now. The kind of night we dream about. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 it's beautiful. Yeah, time flies when you get it right. So hold on tight to me. You just get one tonight. We're kings and queens. One blink.
You have achieved today. You're born a remarkable woman, and through it all, one thing has always stood out: your unwavering love and dedication to your family.
Breath. Close your eyes. Remember this. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. It's beautiful. Love like we never grew up. Live like you just get one.
Ano pa ba yung wish ko? Sigurado narating mo na rin yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay. At ngayon, maayos na rin naman yung pamilya mo. Ang wish ko lang talaga, sana pangalagaan nyo yung sarili mo, katawan mo, pamilya mo. Sana hindi ka magkakasakit. At saka i-enjoy mo kung ano yung meron ka ngayon. Maraming salamat. Thank you.
Time flies when you get it right.
Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat na nandito na dumalo, na nag-effort. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. God bless everyone.
At babatiin ko lang yung pinakamahal kong asawa na happy birthday. Happy birthday. I love you so much.